Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you step-by-step guide how to change your TikTok account from personal to business account. Now guys, as we get started, don't forget to like the video so that it reaches out to everyone who needs this information, and don't forget to subscribe guys if you are new to this channel. Now guys, you're going to log into your TikTok account, then you press up here on the three lines in the corner. Then guys, you're going to press on settings and privacy. Then you are going to press up here on account. Then guys, press up here on switch to business account. Then guys, you're going to press down here on next. Then guys, you're going to press on next. Again, press on next and next. Then guys, TikTok is going to ask you to choose your category. Make sure I choose one of them. Me, I'm going to press on gaming. Then I press on next. Then guys, you're going to add your email address, because in order to change from personal to business account, you have to add your address, your email address. Then guys, TikTok is going to tell you to tell them more about your business. You can either add or skip. Then guys, you can create a video now on your business account, or maybe you can press on maybe later, and that's it. That's how to change from personal to business account on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video and share it with your friend. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.